It's Mega Money Mondays. What's good? What's popping? What's dropping, actually? What is dropping? The market's pulling back here right now at a key level of this pivot point on the Nasdaq. We'll see how she plays out right now. We are sitting back. We are waiting. We are watching. Right now, actually, are we looking at the ES? This damn thing. Sorry, hold on one second. My computer loves to do this where it just like shows me the wrong charts. All right, now we're good. Now we're looking at the Nasdaq here. All right. Nasdaq bouncing off of this 908 level right now. We had this overall downtrend overnight. We had the high from the overnight session up there at 998. 998 up there, and pulling back into the 908 level here today. So, all right. We got some news today, 10 a.m. news. We've got some stuff to look at here. Looking at the hourly chart right now. I feel like looking at the hourly chart, there's a pretty good chance that we want to kind of get down into this level, maybe bounce off that. We'll see. Right now, kind of down there to the 900s. The low there so far, 908 low so far here. So we'll see what happens. We're just waiting. We're watching like always. And we got plenty of time here until the market opens up today. And overnight, you can see that high there from Friday was up there at the 1638s, kind of pulling back this downtrend overnight. We pushed back up into 16,000s here at 3 a.m. with the London Open, basically, and now we have sold back down. So a couple things to look at here today. We got a pivot point down there at the 850s on the hourly chart, a pivot point up there at the 1631s, and yeah, that pivot point right there, the 908s, trying to act as support. And we had this low there at the 35s, kind of a little bit of a double bottom area there at the 40s or so. We pushed back up. We sold off back down there to that pivot point at the 908. So really, I think the way that it's looking right now, that we're going to see if we're going to take out this low down there. Maybe you kind of trap to the downside down there today. Both the ES, the Nasdaq, both pulling back. The dollar really not doing much. The dollar kind of going sideways, but showing strength. And right now, obviously, the Nasdaq, the ES, having trouble. We had the fishing tournament on Saturday. The fishing tournament, I see people asking about it. And basically, we had 3 fish. The winner had 4 fish, 4 sailfish releases. We were right there, man. We were so fucking close. There was a lot of boats that didn't catch any fish. Like, there was guys that have been fishing for 20, 30 years that didn't catch one. We caught 3, and we were right there, man. We fought for it. We wanted it. I wanted it bad. But just didn't get the opportunity to get it. So Nasdaq again moving down here, that 900 level, just probably wanting to get sold through there, I would say. Just giving up that pivot point right there really quickly, and we'll see what happens here today. These glasses, I can see now. Whoa, funny. Dollar pushing up here, the Nasdaq selling off, the ES selling off for now. We broke through that pivot point there, down to the 900s. Will they push it back up? Little trap below that pivot, or do we continue lower? You can see the overall plan down there. The idea today of moving down here, possibly. Dollar is pushing up. Nasdaq here at the 15,900 level. Will they break down through that 900 level flat? The $1 million question, my friends, like always. Dollars pushing up, getting denied there for now. The ES, the Nasdaq, sitting right there at the lows currently. Wonder if we're going to drop right through 900 here. Could be a nice little short through the 900s quickly. Could be. Could drop this right through the 900 and sell down here. I think like 86s or lower. The 15-minute chart, red so far. Down there through the 900s now. 9 o'clock sell-off here. Banana, FIFA, banana. I was kind of thinking about getting short there at that 908, 907 pushback up for this move through the 900s now. And there she goes down there to the 95s. Oh, baby. The dollar going straight up right now. Dollar going straight up. The Nasdaq pulling through the 900s. There she goes down there to the 92s now. That would have been, I think that was the move right there. Getting short up there at the 908s and getting this move to the 900s. There's something about it, right? Something about that whole dollar area. You know, you get that 900, 100, 200, one, just, yeah. Those things pop up and you look for opportunities to get those moves through those levels. And we had that pivot point right there. We got stuck out, that 908. That 908 pivot point up there. So right now the market sell going into open. We've basically been selling off now since 8:30, 8:20. Will there be a relief bounce here? I think, like I said, looking here at the hourly chart, kind of this pullback here into Friday's low area. The low on Friday was 64. Right now we're at 94 here. And we'll see what happens. Look at that. Still going downtown here now. Got some numbers at 10 o'clock today. Yes, we do. All right. Little mega money sell-off Mondays. We'll see how she goes. Mic check, mic check. There we go. Now we're back. Mic back. We'll see how, so this is the Topstep X platform we're looking at right here. I said we might do some trading on it today just to answer some questions, talk about the Topstep X platform here today. But right now, we're just getting ready for the market to open up here. We got plenty of time. We're back, getting back into it. I've been doing a lot of fishing lately. So Got to get back into the groove of things here. It's like riding a bike, though, you know? It really is. It's like riding a bike, baby. Making money. It's like riding a bike. All right. Dollar is going straight up right now. Dollar breaking out to the upside. The Nasdaq, the ES, both selling down here. We obviously have a big gap to the upside here today. So big gap to the upside. Is this a trap? That's the $1 million question, huh? Is it a trap? We will find out. Yeah, I think it's manufacturing numbers today here. Right? Manufacturing numbers, factory orders at durable goods, total vehicle sales, factory orders is the numbers coming out at 10 o'clock. Also, the ECBs, the European Central Bank, Elderson is going to be speaking at 9:30, so maybe a little bit of volatility based around that. We'll find out. Can you try out Topstep X yet? I think they're very close to releasing. I think they're still doing, they're working on it. There's that move. Look at that thing. Fucking A. Right down there to the 88s now. Ugh. I had a pretty good hunch we would move down there through the 900s there, but that was the move right there. Look at it. Bum, 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 bum. Little Devil. Hey, big thanks to you for tuning in and watching. Thanks for your support, my friend. Thanks for your support. Derek was short from 65 and went and took a shower. Ooh. Dude, you don't need to shower before trading. Don't you know that? You just fucking stinky BO and sweat all you need, baby. Are you going long or short? Not sure yet. We'll find out. We still got plenty of time here till the market opens up. There's no rush. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like. We got a lot of stuff going on today. We'll be trading on the Topstep X platform. Take some trades with you guys here in this account. It's a combine account, so we'll see. We'll see how she goes. Right now on the day, up $774 in this account right now. So maybe we'll take some trades together today. We'll see how she goes. Market just moving on down right now. 1 minute chart here on the Topstep X platform. Oh, that break through the 900s was clean. Look at that clean move through the 900s. Whee! Right through there. What a move. What a move. What a move. A little pushback up here now. This could be a little reversally looking, a little trappy looking. Also, big news this week for the Market Flow Trader community. We have big news. We are switching over to a subscription model for any new members that are on the fence about signing up. You can check it out there. Got a couple different things. So if you want to learn more about the Market Flow Trader community, there's links there in the chat and all that fun stuff. It's always something going on in the Market Flow Trader community. What do the successful 10% of the people out there have going for them that's different from the others? Community. Hoping and praying is not a strategy. We got people in our community making $10,000 in a day. And I'm just like, we trade without risking our own money. We keep it simple and we trade the market flow.
You can have all the education in the world, but it's not enough.
All these other courses, if you don't get mentoring and guidance on a regular basis, you're going to be a 7 to 10 year journey.
There are so many people in this community that are more than willing and able to help you out.
Oh, yeah. Wrong one. So yeah, if you want to learn more about the Market Flow Trader community, we're, like I said, switching over to a subscription model. I believe that it is currently $100 a month, right? I believe. I think so. I believe so. I believe. Someone said 15,856 is the previous week low. I see that down there. We'll see. That's pretty. That was what? Thursday of last week, huh? We are right now just going downtown right here on this hourly candle. Just do. The Friday low was 64, and then that previous week, Thursday low here was 56s down there. So right now, the market moving on downtown. We got another 17 minutes till the market opens, but it is a bloodbath right now. Not looking too good for the bulls here currently. The dollar going straight up, the Nasdaq straight down. Still through that 900 level. Like I said, was looking for that break through the 900s, and that's exactly what we got. And we have been moving down ever since. So, all right. Dollar right now just going absolutely mad to the upside. So the dollar going straight up. Absolutely straight up right now. Look, what is this thing? We're doing the wrong, sorry. Wrong screen. Wrong screen. There we go. Sorry about that. Right now, bouncing again here at the 880 level. We're looking at the 3-minute chart here. We've had nothing but pretty much sell. And the market, dollar going straight up. And all that. Somebody's asking about that 900 level. Pretty much anytime we have like a whole, 900, 1,000, whatever it is, like a whole number like that, 900, I always kind of look for a 20-point, maybe 15-point move below that level, kind of a move down if we break that level. So now you can see we're down here 77s currently and moving lower still. So no buyers stepping in here. A lot of volume coming up right now. A lot of volume going through this selling right now. We will find out what happens here at open. The market down right now, 0.9% on the day. 0.9% on the day. So she's not looking too hot right now, boys and girls. Is a short worth it? We'll find out. Dark Shadow, how you been? I've been good, man. How you been? Been living the dream every day. Good morning, good morning. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like. This market is just dumping. Wow. We're going to hit that low down there, like I said, from Friday. She's coming. That 64 low from Friday is down there right now at the 77s. The fishing was good. Fishing was real good. Four sailfish took the first place. We had 3 sailfish, so we were 1 fish away from like a $60,000 payout. We were so fucking close, boys. So close. We were so close that I had to put my sunglasses on because we're that close to the fucking sun. Oh, man. Oh, man. Got the FOMO. I got FOMO right now. The FOMO is real here. FOMO is very real from that 900 move. Now we're down 30 points here. Oh, man. So like I was saying earlier on the hourly chart, you can see this move down here. We've basically moved down to the low of day from Friday. This area that we bounced at on Friday, we've now pretty much pulled all the way back down into here. And we will see what happens once the market opens up. Just continuing to sell here. Dollar going straight up. The Nasdaq straight down. The ES straight down. Everything just straight down. Bloodbath. Bloodbath. It's a bloodbath. I think if we can't hold these lows from Thursday and Friday, well, then we're in trouble. There's a pivot point down there at the 677s. That's pretty low. That's on the hourly chart. Let's look on the 15-minute chart. There should be one. Yeah, 793 is down there next. So 793 seems like a pretty doable downside target. You got 722 after that. We broke through that 900 pivot point. And we are continuing to sell here. So looking at the 15-minute chart right now, moving down here into the low from Friday. Will we find support there? Will we find support? We'll find out. Man. Dollar just on a tear right now. We got 11 minutes here. 11 minutes till market open. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. We will do the poll here in a minute. Do a poll. We do the poll, baby. Any news for the drop? Not really any news that I've seen. But she is just continuing lower here. Wow. Can't stop, won't stop, they said. I think at this point, we got to run those lows from Friday, huh? I don't see how we don't run those lows from Friday down there, so. Pretty straight down drop right now, though. This 15-minute candle is just ding, 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 ding. We really haven't even done any type of retracement back up. It's just been literally straight down. Bitcoin going straight up as well. Bitcoin, gold. Oh, there we go. Through the 70s now. 67's down there. Nasdaq, the ES, dumping. Dumping right here. That low from Friday is 64. Will we find some support here? at this level after sell, sell, sell now. Dollar still straight up. Nice little bounce right off of that low down there. Back up into the 70s there. So right now we're holding pretty much the low from Friday. And right back up off that low for now. I think we'll probably get a little bit of a bounce here. That 92 level up there maybe. I don't know. We haven't really had any type of retracement back up into these kind of volume imbalances here. So thinking maybe like a little retracement back up. We get a little bear flag here and then we sell lower. We got 8 minutes here. Bob Richards. I don't know. Let's see. Up or down at open. What do you guys think? Start the poll. Up or down. Pick your bet. Place your bets. The market is waiting for your money. Money, money, money. Money, 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 money. The dollar right now is on a absolute tear. The dollar said we going straight to the moon today, boys. That's what the dollar said. We got 7 minutes here till the market opens. The VWAP on the Nasdaq's all the way up at the 950s. 950 pivot point up there, so. I see a lot of people talking about a pop and then a drop. I don't know. Sometimes when everybody's waiting for a pop, they end up missing out on the short, so we'll see. If only it was that easy. If only we get to sit here and we'll just be like, oh, I'm going to wait for the pop and then short. Not always that easy, is it? Still waiting here. It's Nasdaq right now. Oh my baby Jesus. I can't believe we're down 50 points since I said we were going through the 900s. Now we ran pretty much the low from Friday. We ran the low there from Thursday as well. So market continuing lower. Looking here at the structure, you would think that there's a good chance that we would bounce around this level. Not sure I'd want to get short down here, but this thing is just going straight down right now. I don't see any news. There's news at 10 o'clock, but no news I know the ECB, European Central Bank president, is speaking here in a little bit, but fucking A. That's a bloodbath if I've seen one. It's getting bloody today, boys. I see the things about the U.S. Navy shoots down drones in the Red Seas, but that was like 13 hours ago, 15 hours ago. So I don't know why that would be making the market crash right here. You know? We got 4 minutes till the market opens. 4 minutes. Getting ready. Ready. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Let's get 500 likes on the stream. We can blow this baby up today for Mega Money Mondays. Little bounce back up there off the lows so far. Will they trap down there? The ES right now is, they're both. The Nasdaq and the ES are just absolutely, look at that 3-minute chart right now. There has really been no bounce back here, so I'm a little worried about getting short down here, but fuck. Little push around this 60 level going into open here. Dollar having some trouble right now. Will they push it back up here? The $1 million question. Going into open here. We got 2 minutes till market opens. 2 minutes. I'm thinking they got to pop this back up a little bit. Someone's going to try to buy the dip here at open. Got a minute till the market opens. $30 seconds. Count it down with me. Both the ES and the Nasdaq trying to push back up here. I think we'll get a little bit of a pushback up here at open. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 2, 1. And the market is now open for business. Up there are the 66s, 69s. I think we go maybe up to the 70s there. A little bit of trouble there. A lot of volatility here for now. Back up there to the 70s. Like I said, a little bit of a pop there at open. There's a little bit of a pop there for now. Got to get some pushback up here. It's too easy to get short right there. 74, 75s pushing back up here. Now let's see what happens. I think if we get back below that 55 level, we would sell through the lows there. $55, kind of a key level there. Through the 55s there, down to the 50s. Should sell right through the 50s here, down there to the 45s. Beautiful. Little 10-pointers. The ES is still showing some strength here, so be careful. See what happens here. We sold through the lows there now. The ES is still pushing back up. The Nasdaq down there to the 40s for now. Could be a trap. Watching to see what happens here at 55 level. ES still pushing up here. Nasdaq down to the lows. Dollar's pulling back. ES showing a lot more strength than the Nasdaq for now. That 40 level on the Nasdaq needs to hold up for any type of bounce here. Look at the ES right now going straight back up here. The Nasdaq trying to push back up there, that 55 level, key level 55s there. Look at the ES ripping, the dollar pulling back here. Up there to the 60s again. 62s coming up there. Beautiful. Nice little bounce there. Through, back up. Like I said, looking trappy. The ES was showing way too much strength there. So the Nasdaq kind of trapping below the lows. And there's the Nasdaq push back up for now. Look at the ES, 45.72 right now, still going. So the Nasdaq, in theory, should continue to push up here off of this 60 level next. Be like a push up there towards the 80s or more. There she goes. Nasdaq through the 60s, back up there to the 70s. Going to go all the way to the 80s is the question. Dollar selling. Nasdaq tried to push up there. 77s. Got stuck right there at 77s for now. Back to the 60s. The Nasdaq just gave it all back. Wow. Nasdaq straight back down there. The ES finally pulling back. That was a nasty move to the downside off that 77 push. I think we got to make a new low here now, huh? Through the 40s down there. Oh my God. Made a new low, chopped it right back up there to the 60s again. Dollar pulling back, the Nasdaq, the ES. Trying to push up here. The ES going straight up again. The Nasdaq stuck there at the 60s one more time. If we get back above the 60s, we get that push through the 80s. Would be doable, I think. Watching the ES trying to make a new push through the 76s. Nasdaq just can't get through 60s for now. Trouble again there at the 60s. I think we might squeeze straight through here now. Let's see, right on this candle. Got to get through 65s or so. Go straight up there. ES trying to push up. Nasdaq trying to push up here. 70s again. The ES just kind of made a new high, pushing back up there. I think the Nasdaq wants the 80s or higher. Let's see. Trouble at the 70s for now. Again, stuck there at the 70s. Oh man, what's going to happen here? What is going to happen? Dollar just continues to pull back. The Nasdaq, the ES stuck here for now. Can't get through the 60s. $50s. What's going to happen here at the 50s now? Not really going anywhere for now. 50s trying to hold up there for now, but looking weak here. Oh, man. Back up to the 60s again. Will we push through here finally? The ES just made a new high. The Nasdaq must make a new high here now. Get through the 70s there next. Maybe not must, but you would think the Nasdaq would try to push through the 70s here now with the ES going straight up. Look at the ES right now ripping up here. The Nasdaq lagging. The chop is real. Was waiting for a push back up there. Got denied. Back to the lows again. Looking right here at the Topstep X platform. Might try a... See what happens down here at the 30s. We'll try a long right here. Oh, got stopped out. Try a long one more time. Fucking A. I got to move this thing. Move that thing. All right, we're trying a long here off the lows. See if we get a little pop back up towards that 50 level. Up there are the 48s. I might even move this up a little bit more. We'll go into the 55s for a target here, 20 points. We almost got filled right there at 46s, but we should push to the 55s there. Got my risk at 40 now. There we go. Look at this push. Oh, come on. We went up to 53s there. And stopped out for profit there. Just too much chop right now here. Still holding up down there at the lows. Wanting to see kind of what happens here at this 40 level again. Right now, we're looking at the Topstep X platform. I'm gonna try one more long here. Fucking, I gotta move this thing so it doesn't. Ah! I have my wrist too tight there. I need to add onto this. I'm gonna add to that. There we go. Oh God. Oh God. I'm trying to mess around. Oh God. Oh God. All right, see if we can get through this 55 level. The dollar's selling, the Nasdaq's popping. I mean, the ES is popping. We should. Just don't see us selling straight down while the dollar is going straight down here. So I'm long off the 40 level here. Stop below the lows for now. We might get stopped. I don't know. It's fucking. Getting real tight here at the 40s for now. We got numbers at 10 o'clock, by the way. 10 o'clock numbers. Trouble there at the 40s now. Push it, push it. Nope. I might revert. Could I reverse this? Go short here now. Ooh, ooh, let's keep it going. Holding the 40s. Oh God. Still long from the 40s here. You can see my position there on the Topstep X platform. All right, looking good. Let's get this straight up move there. Need to push through the 50s here. Hitting that trend line right now at the 50 level. We tapped it again. Not a good sign. Oh, God. We're going down. Oh, God. Fucking A. And we're out. We went pulled back there. I'm going to try to get some shorts here. See if we just sell straight through that 30 level now. Now it's going to reverse. Damn it. We're trading in the combine here, by the way, on this account. So here's my YouTube. Didn't work. Oh, now it pops up. Perfect. Now it's going to go. Now it's going. Oh, now it went. There's a pivot point down there at the 793s here on the Nasdaq now, so. And we chop it back up. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Rip it right back up there now. Beautiful. Looking to see kind of what happens up here. Now, like I said, the dollar was selling off. The Nasdaq just fucking messing around with us, so. We got news at 10 o'clock. And there's the rip back up off the lows. Back up to the 50s now. Now she's ripping. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. If you want, we'll get 1,000 likes here on the stream. We'll do a giveaway today. Giveaway. Hit the like button, subscribe button. Come on now. Let's go. 1,000 likes, one giveaway. Somebody said this is an obvious downtrend. Well, if only it was that obvious. It's only obvious until it's not. True story. If we can get back above this level here, back above the 62, I think we'll break out here. But right now, pretty much that 60 area holding us down for now. So watching that 60 area. That 3-minute chart right now, trying to push up here and get through this resistance there. So you've got the high on that candle right there at 61.75. 61.75. for possible breakout here. Hello? Still stuck below the 60s here. Yo. All right. All right. Can you tell Mark, can you call Mark and tell him to meet me at my house at like 11 o'clock? He can help me load the boat up. All right, thanks. Later. Ugh, fucking A. We got numbers here in 3 minutes. Numbers in 3 minutes. I think we're going to go up, to be honest. I mean, I think if we were going to go down, we'd have already went down here. But let's see what happens when these numbers come out. We got 3 minutes till the numbers. I mean, I really don't care either way if we go up or down. I'll wait for the setup here. We got 2 more minutes till numbers come out. If we get above this 62 level, we should squeeze up. So if we break below the lows, well, then there's that pivot point down there at the 794s. So we will see how she plays. Manufacturing numbers coming out at 10 o'clock today. Dollar selling off here. Got 50 seconds here till the numbers. 1 minute till numbers. ES pulling back. The Nasdaq pulling back. So let's see what happens here. And the numbers are out. 30s holding up for now. The dollar, both the ES and dollar are sitting there. Will we squeeze up here? Looking a little squeezy. Got to get through that 50 area strong. And then you got the 60s up there. So still waiting to see if we can get through the 60s here. Get out of this chop zone. I think we're going up, boys. Let's see. Got to get through 50s there. ES, the Nasdaq, trouble for now. Fucking A. Dollar's pulling back here. Nasdaq's just sitting right there at the 40s. The ES pulling back. Nasdaq back to the 30s. We're pretty much in this massive chop zone right now, between 30 and 50 here. So, do we get a break in either direction is the $1 million question now. The 3-minute chart right now, holding up there at the 30s for now. Let's see if we get right through the 50s here. Through the 50s now. Like I said, thinking that was going to pop up there. Fucking A. Now we just got to get through this 60 level strong. Got to get through this, just get out of this level here. There we go. Pushed right back up into that 50, 60 level. Looking for that breakout through the 60s here. And then we need to go right through the 70s there next. I'm going to take it long right here to see if we can get through the 60s with a stop below this 48 level. And then see if we can go all the way through the 70s there. Like I said, looking for that break through the 60s strong. We got there, 62s. Now we're up there to the 70s now. Denied again at the 70s. Come on. Long from the 60s here. Stop at the 47s. Just need to get going. And oh. 3-minute chart still looking pretty good. Just need to get back above that 60 level right here. Right here. Right now. All right, all right. All right, looking good. Take it all the way, baby. No. Why? Get her some room here, thinking that we can get through the 70s, but having trouble. The dollar pushing back up and stopped out. Well, was that? Nope. My stop moved. Not stopped out. Not sure what that was. Possibly stopped out here. Trying to hold there at the 14 EMA. And stopped out. We took the trade. We were up a couple $1,000 there for a second, and the market just didn't want to go higher. So we pushed right up there with the 71s. I was long from the 58s. Probably could have taken a profit for 10 points, but was thinking if we could get through the 70s right there, we could try to get up here into like 880, maybe the 90s. So we might still do it, but as of right now, not looking so good. Dollar pushed back up there as well. So the dollar pushed back up, and now the market just going sideways here. Now she's going to push up there. Maybe. Still holding up there. And you can see we've pretty much not gone, we have not gone anywhere since open. We've got, I guess it's about a 50-point range, but still right here in the middle of it. You see right now we're kind of either gonna lose this kind of trend, these higher lows here, and we got that pivot point down there at the 92s. The ES looking like it wants to sell, so possibly starting to move down here again. The dollar pushing back up. Problem is we had that big move, you know, pre-market from basically fucking 8:30 here, 8 o'clock. We had about a 100-point move down into open. So now we're just consolidating here and chopping around. Starting to look like she wants to break down here through the 30s. Be looking for a new low, I think. See if they sell it through the 30s here, but still just chopping there. All right, we're moving through the 30s here nicely. The low from earlier down there at the 23s. So through the 23s, we should probably see the 800 level next. There we go. Through the 20s there. Looking for this move down in the 800s. Got that pivot point at the 92s. Really nice move right there. Through the 20s. Through the 30s, like we said. Can we get down there to the 800s? The ES just popping back up there. See if we get down there to the 800s flat now. Looking good. Down there, 806s so far. The low 806 down there. See if we can get down here to the 800s flat. Like I said, looking for that break below the 30s and then the 800s down there. You got that pivot point at the 92s down there. We should see that 800s. $803 low. If we get 1,000 likes here on the stream, we will do the giveaway if you want it. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to hit that like button. We'll do a giveaway at 1,000 likes. Eric Smith passed the combine. It's 100% because of the MFT community. Let's go. If you guys want to learn more about the Market Flow Trader community, there's a link there in the chat. We changed the community to basically, if you're already a lifetime member, you're good to go. But everybody else that's new, you can sign up now with the new setup with the subscription model. So if you want to learn more, there's links there in the chat. Looking for this 800 break now. I think we're going to get it. We're going to get it. The low so far, 801. Got that nice move here through the 30s, down there so far to the 800s flat. Can you get to 53,000 on Topstep in one day? You cannot. Oh, man. 801 flat right there. 801 the low so far. Looking for 800 break. Dollar's pushing up. We should sell through the 800s here. There we go. Through the 800s now. Let's go. Pivot point down there, the 93s. Looks really good here to hit that pivot point. 95 low. There we go. Through the 90s. 89s. Let's fucking go. 85s. Taking profit. Oh my baby Jesus. Are you not impressed? There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, all right, all right. The dollar just spiked up there. The Nasdaq, the ES, both selling through the low there strong. Look at it go. What'd the 15-minute range do today? 15-minute range kind of choppy here. Fucking 3333. Finally getting that breakdown there. Through the lows. Down there are the 77s. Still going. Wowzers. 65, 66s, 65s now. Like I said, the trade was below the 30s there. Looking for that break below the 30s. The move down there to the pivots. And there we go. 62s now. So let's go. Whew. Wow. $57s now. So we're using the Lux Algo price action concepts indicator on the chart. And then, yeah, those yellow lines, I'm drawing those lines. So you can see here, Lux Algo price action concepts. It's basically drawing everything other than the yellow line and then the pivot points there. So this like dotted red line is Lux Algo. This dotted blue line is Lux Algo. You can see we got through that dotted red line there. And we've now sold straight down here. So bloody day here in the markets. The Nasdaq straight down here today. Look at the hourly chart right now. Bang, baby. Bang, 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 bang. From the 60s, 960 this morning, down there to the 760s, 200 points. There's a pivot point all the way down there, the 677s on the hourly chart. And currently down there, the 755s. So market going downtown here today. 750s. Wild. Waiting to see if we get 1,000 likes here on the stream. 1,000 likes, we'll do the giveaway. Who wants it? Who needs it? $1,000 likes. There we go. Congratulations. All right, all right. Link in the chat for the giveaway. We'll pick a winner here, but at 10:30. So. I'm pretty much done with that. Market straight down today. What a move. Ay, ay, ay. 745, 748 now. All right, all right. The winner today is going to be, let's see, who's going to be the winner today? Curtis Sistrunk. Curtis Sistrunk. You are the winner, my friend. Congratulations. And on that note, I got to go deal with some boat stuff, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I'll be back tomorrow morning for Turbo Tuesdays live on the YouTube here. Market going downtown right now. We got a nice little move there. The morning was a little choppy, but this move for that break below the 30, like we said, drawing that trend line there, kind of looking for that 30 break. We got through the 30s right there and right on down there for over 100-point move. So over 100-point move there. From the 30s, basically, the low 40s. So 90 points from that break. Was looking for that break through the 800s and moved right on down there. So congratulations, everybody who got that. If you jumped in short, nice little move there. So I will talk to you guys later on. There's a video on the channel with me fishing from Friday last week. And then, yeah, all that fun stuff. So if you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Peace to the Middle East. What do the successful 10% of the people out there have going for them that's different from the others? Community. Hoping and praying is not a strategy. We got people in our community making $10,000 in a day. And I'm just like, we trade without risking our own money. We keep it simple and we trade the market flow.
You can have all the education in the world, but it's not enough.
All these other courses, if you don't get mentoring and guidance on a regular basis, you're going to be a 7 to 10 year journey.
There are so many people in this community that are more than willing and able to help you.